Hey everyone, Adam here. As a GEO and SEO expert, I spend a lot of time looking at how AI is changing our content strategies. AI AirOps has been a massive player as a workflow and automation layer, but let's be honest, it isn't perfect for everyone. Maybe the pricing doesn't fit your startup, or you need deeper features for true generative engine optimization. So today, I am breaking down the 5 best AirOps alternatives to help you dominate both traditional SERPs and emerging AI answer engines. First up is my top pick for overall AI visibility tracking, Radarkit.ai. If you are serious about GEO, this is your tool. Radarkit lets me monitor my brand's visibility across ChatGPT, Perplexity, Gemini, Copilot, and Google's AI overviews. It gives you true LLM UI prompting to track sentiment and share of voice. 2 standout features for me are query fanouts, which show exactly what LLMs search for in the background, and their GEO writer, which uses real AI citation data to build content designed to get cited. Starting at just $29 a month, it is unbeatable for pure AI search visibility. Next, moving on to number 2, SEMrush. This is a constant companion for my content-led teams. It is the ultimate all-in-one stack. While Radarkit owns the AI space, SEMrush covers your traditional SERP and competitive research. It offers an incredible content marketing toolkit, from topic research and SEO briefs to their AI writing assistant. At $60 a month, it gives you clear insights into what works in your niche and where your gaps are, making it perfect for teams managing serious search and PPC programs. Next, number 3 is Surfer. I have used this for quite some time to streamline my on-page optimization. Surfer analyzes top-ranking pages for your target keyword and turns that data into practical recommendations inside its content editor. It looks at structure, NLP entities, and keyword density. What I love for GEO is its precise location targeting, helping you tailor content to local search intent. It starts at $79 a month and is an excellent choice to keep your long-form content consistently optimized for the SERP. Next, our 4th alternative is Clearscope. If your agency or team works on high-value pages and cares deeply about accuracy, this is a premium choice. Clearscope provides a clean editor with real-time content grading, showing you ideal length ranges and readability insights based on top-ranking pages. It integrates smoothly with Google Docs and WordPress, ensuring your content both ranks well and stays genuinely useful for readers. It is a bit of an investment at $129 a month, but the workflow quality is phenomenal. Next, rounding out our top 5 is MarketMuse. This platform takes a heavy, content-first strategic approach. It analyzes your entire content inventory to uncover gaps and build topic clusters. If your goal is to grow massive topical authority over time, MarketMuse turns your data into prioritized content plans and detailed briefs. At $149 a month, the learning curve is slightly steeper, but for enterprise teams looking to dominate a niche, it delivers incredible long-term upside. Before you jump ship from your current stack, remember to plan your migration carefully, clarify your core workflows, map features to your new tools, export your data, and run a pilot test on a small set of URLs before fully phasing out AirOps. In this fast-moving landscape, the strongest tools blend automation with real search data for pure AI search visibility and turning mentions into pipeline. Radarkit.ai is my clear winner, but SEMrush, Surfer, Clearscope, and MarketMuse all play massive roles depending on your specific strategy. Thanks for watching. If you found this breakdown helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more GEO and AI SEO tips and tricks. See you in the next one.